Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Docs file available offline. First, open the web browser on your device. Next, click on the menu icon, typically located in the top right corner of your browser. From the options that appear, select Drive to open Google Drive. Once you are in Google Drive, go to the settings at the top right corner. Click the setting again. Then scroll down a bit. Now you can find the offline option here. Simply click on the box and go back to the drive. Now find the Google Docs, Sheets or Slides file you want to make available offline. Right click on the file to bring up a menu. And from the menu options, click on Make Available Offline. This will ensure that your selected file can be accessed without an internet connection. And that's it. You have successfully made your Google Docs file available offline. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.